In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Prime Opinion. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to app.primeopinion.com and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have it yet. Now, once you've done this, you want to make sure you go over here to the Home tab on the left, and then you can see your balance up here. However, what you must know is that if you want to withdraw, most likely and in most cases, you will need at least 5 USD or $5 to be able to withdraw. But when you have that, you can click on Claim Reward, top right. And over here, as you can see, you can select reward. So you can transfer, as you can see, it says transfers. You can transfer to your bank account over here, so to ACH. And then you can see you can select 5, 10, or 20, 50, or 100 USD, or you can just transfer to PayPal over here. Again, you can click on that and select how much you would like to withdraw, 5 minimal again, and then you can basically withdraw to Revolut as well. And again, there's 5 minimum, and then to Venmo, $5 minimum again. So after you do this, after you select your method, just click one of these and then click how much you would like to withdraw, and then proceed on with the process where you click claim and then put in your details, and then your money will be withdrawn and sent to you. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.